So CORR is a wellness and longevity center, among other things, but that's really what it's best for if you're just a person who wants to feel better or perform better, or if you're an athlete who wants that extra edge to really improve your performance. We have all kinds of things that can actually improve your performance truly and actually just make you function better physiologically and metabolically. The things that will make a difference in terms of the technology we have, things like hyperbaric oxygen, can really improve athletic performance and overall healing of your tissues, as well as brain health, and it can improve your sleep, it can improve all kinds of things. The list actually keeps going on. We have red light therapy and cryotherapy. These are both great for inflammation and healing as well. There have been studies that show that red light therapy after a workout actually improve gains, and so they will boost athletic performance if you do it regularly after workouts. Cryotherapy is good for inflammation in general, and that's good not all the time, but it's good at a very specific time. So cryotherapy is also very good. And of course we have peptides and hormone replacement. We have lymphatic massage and sports massage. Really, we have all the things that are at the cutting edge of medical science today that will improve your overall well-being and your actually just overall performance, whether it's just a daily performance or athletic performance. Well, we have a website at CORR, so that's one way to just check it out for now, but the best way to do it is just give us a call and we can make an appointment. You'll be able to meet with Dr. Brendan, who's our medical director, and if you're really looking for like fine-tuning, that's the way to go. If you want to do just more basic stuff, you know what you want to do cryotherapy or hyperbaric, we can set you up for that. But if you want to be tuned up, you want to understand exactly what's not quite right and how we can optimize you, a meeting with Dr. Brendan can figure all those things out. So the great thing about CORR is there is truly something for everyone, and honestly not just something, many things for everyone. Every single human being can benefit from the things we offer here at CORR. Even if you're young, I mean, obviously young people do really well in general, but even really young people will do better, especially if you're trying to achieve great things athletically, if you're trying to just improve your overall well-being and feel better.